Hello everybody. Uh, I wish to you to have a nice day. Today I bring for you this sample Nishane Havivate. Welcome again to my channel Perfume Space. This is Majid with you. Uh, this sample here, Nishane Havivate. This review will be the first review of samples. If you love this content of samples review, tell me in the comment, and I will do a chain of these reviews. Okay, let's begin about this scent. Nishane Hazivate is belong to the line of fresh, fruity, woody perfumes. This line remind me of Creed Aventus and also Club de Nuit Intense for me. Nishane Hacivat was created on 2017. The perfumers or the nose behind this perfume is Jorge Lee. As I said before, this perfume belongs to the line of woody fragrances. This one comes in extrait de perfume. The top notes, when you spray in the first time, you will definitely get pineapple, grapefruit, and bergamot. When the perfume stabilizes after 15 minutes, you will notice the cedar, the jasmine, and patchouli. After that, you will have in the base of this scent oakmoss and woody notes. Nishane Hacivat made a lot of success in the market. The woody notes after 15 minutes give a special kind of elegant scent of this perfume. And the pineapple in the top notes with grapefruit and bergamot give a nice and fresh scent. This kind of perfumes had a lot of followers in the market, like Bleu de Chanel, Sauvage Dior, and all this kind of this line. The main difference between Nishane Hacivat that we have here and Creed Aventus is, I think, in the opening, because in this one you will notice a lot of bergamot and grapefruit instead of pineapple. But in Creed Aventus, it have that smoky pineapple. The woody notes on Nishane Hacivat, it's very obvious. I love it so much. This perfume here have big projection and also the longevity. When I spray 4 to 5 sprays, I got almost 10 or 12 hours. Regarding the projection, I have 2 hours, and after that it becomes like a skin scent or 0.5 meter from your clothes or from your body, but everybody will smell you. This perfume it's unisex for men's and women's, but I think that the woody notes that we have in the base of this perfume make it mainly than female. Regarding the price versus the quality, the issue here in this perfume is the price is very expensive, but the quality is good. I recommend this perfume for everyone who like the line of fruity scents, fruity fresh scents, like Creed Aventus, Club de Nuit Intense, man. The age of persons who can wear this one, I recommend it for people over 18 years old. Over 18 years old, you can definitely wear it, and also this one can wear it in all occasions and all time of the day, and also in the 4 seasons of the year: summer, winter, fall, spring. But in summer, I recommend only 2 or 3 sprays, not more than that. Yes, of course, it has a nice and fresh opening, but the woody notes on the base of this one make it very strong. I recommend it very much, as I said, and that's all. That's all what we have. If you like this content of reviewing samples, just tell me in comments. I will do more reviews of samples, and just tell me what samples that you want to do a review on that, and I will do it. Thank you for being with us. Today I review for you this beautiful perfume, this sample here, extrait de parfum Nishane Havivate. Subscribe. Thank you for doing that. That's make us happy, and do more and more, and doing our best. See you in next videos. Bye bye.